This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or trading will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good hump day to you, traders. I'm Andrea Scalise with your market wrap for Wednesday on the James Dix Financial Network. We saw a mixed day today on Wall Street after investors juggled the strong retail news, some shakeup in the ever-changing airline industry, and higher oil prices. The Dow closed the day at 12,319, the Nasdaq at 2432, and the S&P at 1413. And according to the Commerce Department today, retail sales for November rose to 1%, exceeding analysts' expectations and then some. The gain was the biggest since July, when overall sales rose 1.4%. Also in the news today, the Energy Department said crude supplies fell for a third week, sending oil prices higher today. And more merger talks in the airline industry. It seems as though United Airlines and Continental Airlines are in talks about a potential merger. And they're not the only ones talking. AirTran has made an offer to buy Midwest Air, and let us not forget the U.S. Airways hostile takeover bid for Delta. All of this hubbub sent airline stocks up today, but the word on the street is if we see all of this consolidation really happen, you, the consumer, will see your fares rise with less competition. Something for all of us to think about. More corporate news today from Home Depot, who is buying the Chinese home improvement chain The Homeway for an undisclosed amount. This deal will be Home Depot's first steps into Chinese retail. Good for them. And GE Aviation announced a jet engine sale at U.S. and Chinese companies as U.S. and Chinese companies announced deals ahead of a visit to Beijing by U.S. Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson for trade talks. Some scheduled economic reports due out for Thursday include the weekly initial jobless claims for the week of December 9th and import-export prices for November. Some earnings due out tomorrow include Costco Wholesale, Adobe Systems, Bear Stearns, Lehman Brothers, Sienna, Pier 1 Imports, and Winnebago Industries. Also, keep an eye on shares of eBay, ADC Telecommunications, Buckle Incorporated, CKE Restaurants, and Peerless Systems Corporation. That's it for Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely evening. Blah, blah, blah. We'll see you tomorrow.